In this module, we will explore the fundamental concepts of photography that are crucial for capturing compelling images. We'll start with the history of photography, which provides context for how this art form has evolved over time. Understanding the different types of cameras, both digital and film, will help you choose the right tools for your creative vision. We'll also cover essential terminology that will be the building blocks for your photographic journey. By grasping these core concepts, you'll establish a solid foundation that will support your learning in the upcoming modules, allowing you to confidently engage with more advanced techniques. The exposure triangle is fundamental to mastering photography, consisting of aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Let's break these down. First, aperture controls the light entering the camera and affects depth of field. A wider aperture, like f/2.8, lets in more light and creates a blurred background, perfect for portraits. Next, shutter speed determines how long the sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed, like 1/1000th of a second, freezes motion, ideal for sports photography. Lastly, ISO adjusts the camera's sensitivity to light. A higher ISO, such as 1600, is great for low-light situations, but can introduce noise. Understanding how these three elements interact allows you to achieve the perfect exposure for your images. Lenses are crucial in photography as they directly affect how your images are captured. First, let's talk about focal length. This measurement, usually in millimeters, determines how zoomed in or out your image appears. For example, a 24mm lens is great for landscapes, capturing wide scenes, while a 200mm lens is ideal for wildlife photography, allowing you to zoom in on distant subjects. Now, depth of field is equally important. It defines how much of your image is in focus. A shallow depth of field, achieved with a wide aperture, can beautifully blur the background, making your subject stand out, perfect for portraits. In contrast, a deep depth of field keeps everything sharp, which is essential for landscape shots. Understanding these concepts will empower you to select the right lens for your creative vision. In this module, hands-on practice is crucial for mastering photography. First, you'll adjust the aperture, shutter speed, and ISO in various lighting conditions. For example, in bright sunlight, you might need a smaller aperture to avoid overexposure, while in low light, a higher ISO can help capture more detail. Next, experimenting with different lenses allows you to see firsthand how focal length affects composition and how depth of field can create beautiful background blur. These exercises will not only reinforce your theoretical knowledge, but also enhance your technical skills, making you more confident in your photographic journey.